Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? Actually here in Texas, guys, we are actually in tornado watch. So I'm going to try to do this as quick as I can because I don't know what's going to happen. So anyway, so welcome. And today we're going to do a haul. So let's start with this one. And it's by Happy Crafter Shop. And I actually got these for my niece, Olivia, who's into art also. So it's just like little, they sell like little accessories. You'll see. All right, so let's see. So very cute. It says snap, share, and tag Happy Crafter Shop. Thank you for supporting my small business. All right. So, and then of course over here it says thank you for supporting my small business. Also, it's like a little sticker. Look how cute this is, guys. I love the box, first of all. Love the little sticker that says thank you. I love packages like this, guys. And then it comes with a pink tissue and a little heart. So let's see. I don't want to, oh, I could wrap this again in another tissue paper for my niece, for my sweetie pie. Okay, so as you can see, here's a little card. Very nice. Thank you for your order. Isn't that cute? You can shop here at www.happycraftershop.com. And she's also on Instagram. And she also says YT, so that's a YouTube, Happy Crafter. Contact me here. And also, this is her email. Okay, so let's see. So I'm going to have to read what I bought. Let's see. According to what I'm looking at, it says, ooh, something's loose here. Oh my God, lots of little goodies, guys. Oh, something did come out, you see? I have no idea which one is that one, but let's see. I think these are the smoky aqua beads. So I guess you could make, does it have like, I have no idea what these are for. But my niece Olivia is very, very creative and she's gonna love these. She'll know what to do. I thought they had like little holes where maybe you could create like a bracelet, but all right, let's see. And then these are the smoky, actually they do have a hole. I just saw them. Okay, so I got it smoky aqua, and then I got her also a smoky pink beads. So she can make nice bracelets out of these. And then, let's see, I got some Velcro. Look how cool these little Velcros. I don't know, I think I might keep these. These are, let's see, let me look at the paper here. These are blue Velcro dots. And I believe she sells in different colors. This blue's my favorite color. Okay, and then these are little stars. So this is, I believe these are the transparent star beads. These are also beads. Make a bracelet. God, these are so cool. And this is flat. No, this is, oh my God, sequins. That's sequins. Yeah, this is the black and white shaker bits, but basically it's like little sequins. So you could actually put these in shaker cards. It's got little hearts, moons, stars. Really cool. And black and white. And then I ordered another one in pink. So this one is, yeah, this is the pink iridescent bunny. Oh, it's little bunnies, sequence bits. I actually ordered this for her for Easter. So that's why. And then this one is so cute. These are other beads, and these are this. Which one are these? Oh, Mamma Mia. Let's see. I have no idea. But these are the pink ones, I guess. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't order this. It says right here, the free gift. Well, thank you. Okay, and then these are snaps. I think these are called snaps. Not snaps. These are small lobster claps. Okay. Love the colors and very cute. And then of course this one is just adorable. So I'm going to put this one in another little bag, but I'm going to bring the box up so you can see how cute these are. This one just happens to the bag opened, but that's okay. That's fixable. And look at how pretty that is, guys. See how pretty that is? Hopefully you can see it. Let me bring the light a little closer. It's just really pretty. I just love everything about this. So I'm gonna fix everything and put everything nicely back in here. And I know that Olivia is going to love this. Thank you, very nice. Love the packaging. Okay, the second one is by Chaza on Etsy. This comes all the way from England, you see, Royal Mail, which is pretty cool. And then in the back it tells me what I ordered, and it says I ordered a Hello Kitty Kawaii Coverminder. Hello Kitty Kawaii Coverminder. I ordered 2, and a resin ink Care Bear cover. So let's check this out. I've had this actually here since February, guys. I'm a little behind. Love the little packaging. Okay. I can hear the wind outside, guys. Ooh. All right, so this must be the Care Bear. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. Look at this, guys. So pretty. Hoping you can see it. So pretty. I wonder if I turn the other light on. Let's see. Is that better? I have no idea. Okay, so there's my little bear. And then I guess I ordered, oh my gosh, guys, look at this. It's a bunny Coverminder. She's got a little heart. Love her little eyelashes. And then she's got a little flower on one of her ears. Oh my gosh. I could use this for the one that I'm working right now, actually, for Rochelle. And then I ordered another one, but this one is in blue. I know when my friend sees these, she's gonna go, Sylvia, I want one of those. Is that not the cutest? Just adorable. Okay. And I believe these are from Shiny Chaza, and I think her name is Sharon. Okay. I should leave some of these out, right? Or maybe not, I'll just leave it here like this when I display it. Okay, the next one is from Art De Nicole, because I am obsessed with actually 3 trays that I love. Art De Nicole, the, oh God, what's it called? Cap Proof, and of course Muni Made. Those are my 3 favorite, guys. I always say that, then I love everything. Okay, now, let's see what I got. I'm gonna need the scissors. These are actually Olivia's. These are like child proof. You know, so you won't cut yourself. I still have the cough, guys. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh. I bought a mini one. It's a small one. Look how pretty the color. It's like it's a pink actually, right? I don't think I have, do I have the size? I actually do. Very cool. Slides on. Well, let's see if I can figure this out. Come on. I always mess it up, guys. Oh, mamma mia. Okay, let's try this again. There you go. And then this is the stopper, and it prevents from the drills spilling. Okay. All right, very pretty. Matches my Coverminders. And I believe I bought, this is a tower. We'll check this out to see which one, and these are going to be, these bubbles, the bubble wrap is going to be for Mama. But believe it or not, guys, Mama is not here tonight. She's actually staying over at my sister's tonight. All right, so as you can see, I bought this color. It's like a gray. It's a charcoal, I don't know, like a light gray, just pretty. I like it. This one is just too big, right? Yep. So this is, let's see which one I have here. So I've got this one. These are small too. Does this fit in here? Oh yeah, perfect. So I might have to get, I wonder if she sells for these, for this size. I'll have to look at her, because I do have that one. Then I have this one. Look how pretty. Put this in here. So that's 2. Let's see. Let me see if I order a tower for the small ones. I might need another tower, guys. Oh yeah, brilliant. The stoppers, I just have them in the drawer. Anything else? I do have another one here, but they don't. I might have to get another tower. But perfect, guys. Look at that. Gorgeous. I love it. All right. Let's put that aside. And this is the last one. This is from Lexi Sparkle, Crafts and Gifts. Okay. And she's awesome, guys. She wrote, Sylvia, hello, my friend. Thank you for your order. I hope you enjoy everything. I included a few extra goodies that I thought you may enjoy, Lexi. Ooh, love it. And I think I got some Pen Pal squishy animal pen covers and some Coverminders and a tray, diamond painting tray. All right, so let's leave that there so I can read what I wrote. What I bought. Nice box. Love the sticker. Lexi Sparkle, Crafts and Gifts. Okay. Oh, let's see what's in the box. Very nice. Huh. Oh my gosh. Did I order all this? Thank you for your purchase. Thank you so much for your order. Oh, a 10% off on my next purchase. Oh, I will be using this, Lexi. Oh my gosh. Look at the stickers. Oh my. What? This is beautiful. Oh wow. This is actually great for gifting, guys. See this? Wait, let me move this back so you can see it better. Perfect for gifting. I might have to get a box for my niece. Look at this. Look at the stickers. How pretty that is. Look at the colors and the butterfly. Wow. How does Lexi know I love butterflies? I love butterflies, Lexi. Look at that. So pretty. And, I mean, come on. Who doesn't love donuts? Look at this. When I was young and I used to go to work part-time in New York in the summers, I would go for my lunchtime and I would buy a carton of milk with 2 donuts. That was my lunch, guys. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. Oh my God, I don't even know where to begin. Jeez. Oh my. Thank you for supporting my small business. Lexi, I love. This is a Coverminder, guys. So these are the ones that I ordered. This is the Sparkly Glitter Diamond Painting Coverminder, I think. Oh, it's a Coverminder trash, guys. Okay, let's open this up. I don't want to break anything. This is so beautiful. Wow. Look at this. So it's a little Coverminder, and then right in the middle is where you put your trash, and it's a key. Wow. I love this. And I think I ordered I think there's 3 of them. This is another Coverminder, and it's also a trash. A Coverminder trash minder. And right now I'm actually working on 2 paintings, so look at this. They're so beautiful, guys. Look at the sparkle. Wow. Alexi, I am definitely gonna go shopping again. Another sticker here, another donut. Okay, what else? And this is, oh, this is a bracelet. This is so cool. I love bracelets, guys. You know, Olivia might want this one. I'm gonna wear this one right now. Look at this. It's so pretty. Thank you, Lexi. Okay, and then I don't think I ordered this. I definitely need this. Thank you, because when we are working on our diamond paintings, our hands get dry, guys. And this is mango. This is a lip of butter mango. Oh my gosh. This is really cool. Wow. Let's try this. Tamper sealed. Okay, let's see. Oh wow, it smells really good. It's going on my lips right now. Oh wow. It's yummy. And it's very soft. Soothing. And this is hand cream. Cocoa. Natural and repair dry skin. Oh my gosh. Love everything. That's really, it tastes really good, guys. I'm not supposed to eat it. Yeah, I know. Oh my gosh. I ordered these. These are Diamond Painting Pen Pal Squishy Animal Pen Covers. Oh my gosh. Let's open one. Let's open this one. Oh, this, guys, Olivia is definitely going to want this one. Oh my gosh. How does this work? Oh my gosh. So I guess, wait a minute. How does this work, Lexi? I'm a little slow. Does this go in here? No. Anyway, but this is an actual diamond pen. See that? And it's very squishy. And then I guess this, oh, this is a pen. This is an actual pen, right? And I guess this is just a placer. Oh my gosh. Love, love, love everything, Lexi. Oh my God. I'm not going to open all of them, guys, because I'll be here till tomorrow. Oh my gosh. Got a little giraffe with an orange pen. I have no idea what this is. Is this a little alligator or a snake? It's got his little tongue out. A frog, maybe? Froggy? And this is a kitty cat. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Did I order all of these? A rabbit? Oh my gosh. A giraffe. A little tiger. A little chick. A little mouse winking. And a piggy? I have no idea what this is. Oh my gosh. And what is this? Oh, these must be the refillables for this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I love everything, guys. And of course she sent me some washi tape. Look how pretty this is. And this is the tray. And it's very heavy. Wow. Pretty things inside. So the tray is when, you know, when you're, well, I'll show you, when you're diamond painting, and usually you have all your tools on the table, and they slide. Well, now if you use a tray, this big tray, things won't go sliding. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at this. That's like a little gold in there. And the ombre look. It's got like little, so it's not flat. Wow. So let me show you. Let's get a pen here. Let's see. Let's get this one because it's beautiful. See? So you're working, you can put your things and they won't slide. Let's get a tweezer. A tweezer, right? I don't know. And maybe a Coverminder. But let's get another pen. See that? So they rest there and they won't be sliding. Oh my gosh. Okay, I love everything. Absolutely love everything. It's just so much that I don't even know how I'm going to take all this out. But let's put this down here. Thank you very, very much, guys, for everything. Love my tower. Love my Coverminders. Okay, I just love everything. Let's just put this one up here. Maybe this one here. Okay, all the beautiful stickers and my pens. And of course, my beads, which I'm not going to take them all out with my Velcro because it's just too many things, guys. And let's not forget the beautiful Coverminders and my tray. It's just too many things. I don't think you can you see everything? All right. Well, that's about it, guys, for tonight. And did I mention that I love everything? Yeah, I did. So have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the night, and hopefully a tornado won't hit anywhere in Texas, and everyone will be fine and well. Bye-bye. Thank you.